Hi there, it's July 22nd, 2023. I'm looking at the National Weather Service map, and these are the alerts. And up here in Montana, it's really hot. I'm going to click on that area. Okay, so these are the temps for today and tomorrow in this area. Heat advisory, fire weather watch over here, hazardous weather over here. And then I want to show you something else. Okay, so I'm on the College of DuPage, and this is the radar. Over here is a key for intensity of the radar, and you can see all these circles are radar stations, and the blue is less than the bright green. So right here you can see that it's more intense. So I'm not saying anything is connected. I just think the observation is strange because it's unusual for heat to be up this high, as warm as it is in Wyoming this time of year. Maybe not. Let's look at this a little closer though. So let's go to the regional section and let's look at this button. See, right in the center there's like a little dot, and that's right where the facility is located for the radar. Each one of these has some, but some of them has one, but you can't see it as well in some of them. If I got closer you would, but see, compared to the intensity. Let's see if we can even get closer here. Let's see. This one, the center is off. There must be something in the way here, like maybe even a mountain or something. There's the center. There's the center of that one right there. But notice that. And I've seen that for a couple of days now. So on College of DuPage, there really isn't any weather system as far as clouds compared to like down here where it's getting really intense for that area. Little tiny ones, but... And let's look on National Weather Service. So this spot is Glasgow, Montana. Let's look at what the radar is on here, what it looks like compared to College of DuPage. Gotta wait for it to load a minute. Alright, now the only thing we see as far as the radar is an alert map letting us know about the heat. And then these clouds over here. And you can see the radar somewhat. But it's not even showing. That's the National Weather Service. This is, oops, we'll go back to it. Okay, so I had to push a few buttons, but this is what it looks like on College of DuPage, where it shows you how far the radar is spreading out and the intensity level according to this key. I'll have the links below for all of this, and you can look it up yourself. I'm not saying that one thing is related to anything or that anything is causing anything. I just think it's highly interesting, that coincidental, perhaps, would be the correct word. So here's a little article from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration about how radar works. It says it's a beam of energy called radio waves is emitted from an antenna. As the waves strike objects in the atmosphere, the energy is scattered in all directions, with some of the energy reflected back at the radar. And then there's a little picture of it there. And there is Doppler radar. The link will be below so you can look this up and read some if you want. And dual polarization, which is another type of radar. So I just Googled, does radar heat the atmosphere? And a couple of things that came up are the article I just showed you. And can radar waves heat air? And it says radio, oh, that's radio. Sorry. Let's go down to Radar technology is considered an active remote sensing system because it actively sends a microwave. Okay, so I thought I'd just... Let me stop this a minute. Okay, so this is an article from Science Direct, and it says radar systems transmit electromagnetic or radio waves. Most objects reflect radio waves, which can be detected by the radar system. The frequency of the radio waves used depends on the radar application. And so then up here we can go back to this where it says radio waves, microwaves, and infrared are known to produce heat and even cause burns, while visible light and ultraviolet are not. This seems counterintuitive to me as the latter contain the highest amount of energy. And that is written from this link right here, Physics Stock Exchange Questions. So I've got a couple links below. I'll just leave you look at what you want to look at, and I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service.